To me, it was very important to come to a school that could give me resources, give me tools, give me the instruction to then do something better for my country. So being able to be at a school that has a mission of working for society just made sense to me. My name is Majo Guemez. I'm a second-year MBA student from Mexico City. What surprised me most about SOM is just how people are willing to go above and beyond. I knew people were nice, I knew people were that was the core of the SOM community, but just the extent to which people are willing to support, help, and just include everyone just blew my mind. I've seen friends of mine working and studying together for the same interview. They are fighting for a job, but they're working together to find this job. I think my biggest passion at SOM is a hockey club. I've never played hockey in my life. Everyone is giving themselves space to just learn. I think that's amazing, and I think you can truly just be yourself, grow into yourself, and just truly be the best version of yourself, and you'll always feel supported, encouraged, and inspired.